What if I told you that right now, as you're watching this video, your kidneys are silently filtering nearly 50 gallons of blood, clearing out every toxin from the food you ate for breakfast, the coffee you're drinking, even the air you're breathing? And what if I also told you that most people have no idea their kidneys are struggling until it's almost too late? The brain fog you can't shake, those swollen ankles at the end of the day, the constant trips to the bathroom at night, these aren't just annoying inconveniences. They're your body's desperate cry for help, and ignoring them could lead to that terrifying moment when a doctor shows you rising creatinine levels and mentions the word dialysis. Welcome back to BioWell Hub, where we bring you science-backed wellness strategies that actually work. I'm so glad you're here because today we're diving into something that could literally save your independence and transform your energy levels. More than 37 million Americans are living with kidney damage right now, and most don't even know it. But here's the incredible news. Research from Johns Hopkins and the National Kidney Foundation shows that simple kitchen spices, things you probably already have in your pantry, can make a massive difference in supporting kidney health. We're going to cover 6 powerful spices and the one critical habit that determines whether they actually work. Now, before you think this is just another folk remedy video, let me be clear. Everything I'm sharing today is backed by peer-reviewed research and clinical studies. These aren't wild claims or internet myths. These are compounds that have been shown in actual laboratory studies to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in kidney tissue. So if you care about protecting these silent heroes working inside you around the clock, hit that like button right now and let's get into it. Let's start with garlic. This powerhouse improves circulation, which is critical for kidney filtration. Think of your blood vessels as garden hoses delivering water to your kidneys. Garlic's sulfur compounds, especially allicin, relax and widen these vessels by boosting nitric oxide production. Studies from Harvard Medical School link regular garlic consumption to healthier blood pressure and kidney function. But here's the mistake. Cooking garlic immediately after crushing destroys its benefits. The secret is to crush 1 to 2 cloves and let them sit for 5 to 10 minutes before using. Take it in the morning on an empty stomach with water or honey and pair it with olive oil to enhance absorption. Cumin is your kidney's natural detoxifier. Its active compounds, cuminaldehyde and thymol, have powerful antioxidant properties that protect kidney tissue. Research from King Saud University shows cumin supports liver detoxification, indirectly helping your kidneys by reducing bloodstream toxins. Use freshly ground seeds or steep half a teaspoon in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Drink it as tea in the morning or sprinkle it on meals. Cinnamon contains cinnamaldehyde and polyphenols that neutralize free radicals and reduce kidney inflammation. Use freshly ground cinnamon sticks or steep a teaspoon in hot water as tea, or add it to oatmeal and coffee. Ginger is incredible for flushing toxins. Its bioactive compounds, gingerol and shogaol, provide potent antioxidant protection. Research proves ginger combats oxidative stress and inflammation. Use fresh grated ginger in hot water for tea or add it to soups. Coriander seeds contain linalool and borneol, which protect kidney tissues and support detoxification. Steep half a teaspoon in hot water for a gentle detox tea. Turmeric is the king of kidney support. Its active compound curcumin is one of nature's most powerful anti-inflammatory agents. Research shows curcumin improves kidney damage markers and reduces inflammation. Always pair turmeric with black pepper and healthy fats for maximum absorption. Here's the truth that ties everything together. These spices are powerful, but they only work if you're doing one critical thing: staying properly hydrated. Aim to drink half your body weight in ounces of water daily. Add 10 to 15 minutes of gentle movement and incorporate these spices into your meals. Within 1 week, you might notice clearer urine. By weeks 2 to 3, swelling often reduces. And by weeks 4 to 6, lab markers can start improving. Your kidneys are resilient and you have the power to support them. Start today with just one of these spices. Try the garlic trick tomorrow morning or brew that cumin tea. Drop a comment below telling me which spice you're going to try first. And don't forget to subscribe to BioWell Hub for more science-backed wellness strategies. Your kidneys will thank you, and so will your future self. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.